The electron configurations for all of the elements are given underneath the atomic number for each of the different elements, and they are separated into the electrons in each principal energy level. So take, for example, we'll take phosphorus over here. We have 2 electrons in the first, 8 in the second, and 5 in the third principal energy level. So the electrons in the electron configuration are separated into their principal energy levels. That makes it a lot easier to then do the orbital notations. You just have to remember SPDF 1357, and then that you can put 2 electrons into each orbital, and then you don't need to necessarily memorize that in the first principal energy level you only have 1 sublevel, and that's S. In the second there's 2, S and P. In the third there's 3, S, P, and D. And in the fourth there's 4, S, P, D, and F. And it continues with 4 after that. So having this electron configuration is super convenient. Unfortunately, that's not the way they do it everywhere. This is specific to New York State. One thing to note, starting with element number 72, you will see a little asterisk. And that, if you look down here, says that there is actually a 2 and an 8, the first and the second principal energy level, prior to that 18. And it's just because they would have had to make the font even smaller, which would have been really difficult for you to read. So they don't give those first 2 after element number 72.